So what's up guys, this is Carlton here and hope you all are doing just fine. So in my previous two uploads you might have seen some cinematic looking videos that were shot using the Zhiyun Smooth Q. So this is my review on the Zhiyun Smooth Q. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Starting with the unboxing, the Smooth Q comes in a well-packed box, and after opening it, you get the gimbal in a carry case which we'll keep aside for now. The box also includes an instruction manual, a micro USB cable and a carry case strap. So that's all in the box, and now moving on to the carry case. The case is well built and it doesn't seem cheap at all. The material used is pretty good and it protects the gimbal from falls, and it fits perfectly just in case you want to throw it in your bag. The build quality of the Zhiyun Smooth Q is pretty good and it is made of high quality and durable plastic. This is the space gray variant, while other colors like jet black, gold and rose gold are also available. The hand grip of the gimbal is curved, which makes it easy to hold, and it also comes with a 1/4 inch thread in case you want to mount it on a tripod. The front panel consists of the joystick, a mode button to switch between different modes, a zoom slider and the power button, which also doubles up as a shutter button in the Zhiyun app, which we'll talk about later. It has two USB ports, one at the top which is used to charge the device and also upgrade the firmware. At the same time you get a USB type A at the bottom to charge your phone as and when required. The gimbal has about 11 to 12 hours of usage time, which is pretty amazing, and along with that you can also charge your phone and use the gimbal at the same time. But the phone can be charged only in the portrait mode since the phone holder comes in the way. You can change between the landscape and portrait mode by using this thumb screw at the back. The other thumb screw is used to adjust the slider for balancing the gimbal. Balancing the gimbal is pretty easy, and with some tries you should get it right. First we need to place the phone in the clamp as shown, and then we need to adjust the slider at the back to a particular distance so as to balance the phone, and then we switch on the gimbal by holding the power button for about 3 seconds. The gimbal has 4 modes, which are the selfie mode, pan following mode, lock mode and the full follow mode. The gimbal switches on in the pan following mode, and in this mode the gimbal follows pan movements without allowing motion or movement in the tilt and roll axis. You can also control the tilt axis manually with the joystick in this mode. Single pressing the mode button gets you into the locking mode. This mode locks the movement of all the 3 axes, and it locks it in one position, while you have complete control over the joystick to pan left and right or tilt up and down. This mode is mainly used to get those straight moving shots like this one. By double pressing the mode button, you move into the full following mode, and in this mode the camera follows the movement of the gimbal in all directions, with some delay, giving you those smooth pan and tilts. And then by pressing the mode button 3 times, you switch to the selfie mode. You can adjust the pan and tilt axes as to get yourself properly into frame for filming yourself. So this gimbal also comes with an app called the Zhiyun Play, and it gives you more additional features. So connecting the phone to the gimbal is pretty easy, and you just need to turn on the Bluetooth and hit to connect device and you're done. It's that simple. This app allows you to take slow motion shots and those amazing moving time lapses. In addition to that, you also get manual mode control and the tracking feature, which isn't that accurate. One of my favorite thing about this app is that you can control the gimbal remotely using another phone, which is quite handy when you want to sit back, place the gimbal and get those cool time lapses and panoramic shots. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to comment down below. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, be safe, take care.